Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your server location in Hostinger. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, just go to Websites from the top and click on Dashboard next to your website. From the left side of the screen, click on Hosting, Plan Details, and next to Server Location, click on this little pen. Select your desired new server location from this drop-down menu and click on Next. After reading this important information carefully, click on Start to change your server location. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.